Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorials we will learn how we can view the CAD files online with the help of a ShareCAD. So you can visit the website sharecad.org, and it supports lots of popular CAD formats like step file, IGS, BRP, STL, SAT. So if you're any such locations where you do not have your own system or laptops, but you have access to the internet and you want to view some CAD files on urgent basis, so in this case this tool will be too much useful for you because it is a browser based. So we will see how we can see the CAD files online. So we will switch to the FreeCAD, and here we have one model. So before starting this tutorial, if you like my method of teaching, then you can support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help this channel to grow. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write the articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's start our tutorial. So here is a one part in a FreeCAD, and what I will do, I will export. We will use this ShareCAD to view the part which I have saved as a step file. So you can see that my step file has been opened here. It is not graphically very sound because my exported part in a step is in a black color, but no problem. On urgent basis, if you are not to view the CAD files online, it is a very good tool. And here you will get the options like wireframe, hidden lines, and you can also get here the view option. You can get the top view, right view, front view. So this tool is very good to use anywhere online, and best part is that you can also share the link to someone else by clicking on here on the share button. So this is a very small tutorial to aware about how you can view the CAD files online without the use of any software install on your system. So this is all about this tutorial. I will come with more useful tutorial like this on CAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.